My Spanakopita Frittata is a great, quick, and healthy meal. To make it, you'll need 4 eggs, sea salt and pepper, chopped fresh dill, fresh baby spinach, nutmeg, a leek, toasted pine nuts, Greek olive oil, and Greek feta, and chopped teardrop tomatoes not shown here for garnish. Heat the olive oil in an oven-proof, preferably cast iron skillet, and cook the leeks over medium heat, adding a little sea salt until soft. Add the spinach to the same pan and cook it until wilted. In the meantime, whisk the eggs until frothy, season them with a little salt and pepper, and then grate some nutmeg into the spinach leek mixture. Pour the eggs evenly over the entire surface of the pan. Sprinkle the chopped dill and feta over the top, then sprinkle the toasted pine nuts over the surface too. Bake at 375 for about 20 minutes or until set. Remove and serve, garnished with some chopped tomatoes and a drizzling of extra virgin Greek olive oil.